Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the Booleans and comparison operators section. This is switch statements, fall through. In the previous exercise, we taught you to use the keyword break after the block for each case. Without the keyword break, not only will the first matching cases block run, but so will all the code in the subsequent cases. This is known as fall through. The keyword break tells the computer to break out of the switch statement. Without it, it will fall through to the rest of the switch, executing all the code until it reaches a break, a return, or the end of the statement. Here we have letter A, switch. We pass in letter, case A, echo A, case B, echo B. So all these are going to run because we don't have a break. And we're going to echo A through D. The code above will output A, B, C, D. Only the first case, case A, actually matches the value of letter, but since the above code doesn't have any breaks, all of the code in the switch will execute. Fall through may seem like a drag, but it can be useful when we want multiple cases to execute the same code. Here we have this switch statement that takes in day of the week, and we have case Monday, case Tuesday, echo just getting started, then we break. Then we have case Wednesday, echo hump day, then break. Case Thursday, case Friday, we echo almost a weekend and we break. Case Saturday, case Sunday, we echo enjoy, then break. In the code above, we use fall through to our advantage by placing cases that should execute the same code next to each other and having them share a code block. So for example, if day of the week has the value Monday or Tuesday, the string just getting started will be printed. It's okay if you don't find fall through useful in your own code, but knowing how to use it should remind you that it exists and that you need those breaks. Instructions say 1. Write a function, return season. Your function should take in a string representing a month, example January, and it should return which season that month falls in. December, January, and February are winter months. March, April, and May are spring months. June, July, August are summer months. September, October, November are fall months. Your function should use a switch statement and fall through to accomplish this task. Let's do that now. So that should do it. Let's add some examples just to make sure that it's working. Let's run this. We do pass and we do get winter, spring, and summer as we expect. What we're learning here, switch statements fall through, is the ability to exclude our break statement to allow multiple cases to return a specific value. The keyword break will tell the computer to break out of the switch statement. Without a break statement, the statement will fall through the rest of the switch, executing all the code until it reaches a break, return, or the end of statement. Fall throughs may seem like a drag, but can be useful when we want multiple cases to execute the same code. And like it says here, you might not find it useful, but it helps in reminding us that it exists and that we need breaks. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting switch statements fall through, and I'll see you in the next one.